Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Priyanka Exploring. So right now I'm so excited to go for Dudhsagar waterfall trek, and once I reach there I will start showing you how to leave and from where to leave. I'm going with a trekking group, so there will be a lot of people, or somewhere around 40 to 50 people will be there. So let's begin. I started early morning at 7 a.m. from Dudhsagar Resort where I stayed for a night. I have made a vlog about my experience here. You may check that out if you want. I will provide the link for you here. We started our trekking from Jungle Book Resort near Kulim railway station after having tasty breakfast here. Let me show you around a bit of this property. It is a very vast and rustic resort away from city life, completely in jungle. So there's a river here. Wow, so lovely.
Okay. Nelson. Okay. Dinesh and Nelson. So just in case if you face any problem, difficulties while trekking or anything like that, then just contact them. Okay. फर्स्ट एड मुझे पे काटिए ना काटता मैं बोला दैट्स ऑल ओके.
First, we did trek on railway track for about 4 kilometers from Kulim railway station towards Dudhsagar waterfall, and later we followed the jeep trail in forest area. In between, we took few shortcuts and small trails from inside the woods to bypass extra long routes and reached at the bottom of the waterfall. Exactly, I don't remember at what time we reached at the waterfall because I lost the track of time while enjoying my trek.
So in rainy season, it's really heavy that even the water comes inside the vehicle.
Yeah, no, once I have gone there in rainy season, and the water flow was too much.
Yeah,
Like water came inside the jeep.
it comes up.
Yeah.
So that's why once the water level comes up to a normal thing, where the jeep don't get washed out, then they started washed out.
Okay.
They get only one trip per day. In 2 days, sorry.
One trip in 2 days.
Yeah, because there are almost 300 to 400 vehicles.
Okay.
And
Okay.
per day they allow, I guess, 150 to 170 or 180 something.
Okay.
Now they might have increased it.
Okay.
So go to see at least some 50 vehicles get next day they have to come up.
Okay.
They're going in line, numbers.
Okay. So since how long you've been organizing these treks?
It's been 3 years right now.
3 years.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, but-
they were waiting for all
Yeah,
these
but at
things to
least
get
we
open.
didn't see anybody trekking to Dudhsagar because they go from the railway track only. They don't go come this side.
Hmm.
That's
But which one is easier, this way or railway track?
this is a bit adventurous like a thing. Because
Huh.
on the railway track, the way you have come, all the 4
same.
kilometers,
Right.
so it's the same thing.
Okay.
You'll just get some tunnels in between, that's it. Over here, you go through a jungle.
This waterfall is located at the end of South Goa in Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary and Mole National Park among the Western Ghats. This waterfall forms the border between Goa and Karnataka. It is India's fifth tallest waterfall and ninth in Asia. Total height of this fall is 310 meters and width is 30 meters. This area is surrounded by dense forest and rich biodiversity. This waterfall is fed by rains and forms huge force of water during monsoon. The best time to visit this place is between October to December. The nearest railway station to this place is Castle Rock, which is located in Karnataka. Total distance of this trek was 24 kilometers, which makes it 12 kilometers one side. And trekking distance may vary depending upon the point of trekking you start from and finish at.
Pull it one more time. If you guys want to take picture, you can take. I'll release it after that.
You're taking a risk, huh?
No, it's okay. You want to take it?
He's scared.
It's baby actually,
Yeah.
but they're venomous.
Yeah. Leave it. The track where I'm walking right now is used by jeeps to reach Dudhsagar waterfall. In case you don't want to trek and still want to see the waterfall, you can use jeep facility. You can buy a ticket for 600 rupees per person from Kolem ticket counter for Dudhsagar waterfall, and 7 people are allowed in a jeep, and they start from the same point and drop you back at the same point. Also, they provide you life jackets. However, the jeep service is not yet started. Maybe very soon they will start. So here we'll see the view. Amazing. Wow. Oh, now I'm crossing this river. And yes, I would like to share some useful tips which will help you to plan this trip. If you are coming here for the first time, I would suggest you to hire a local guide or join some trekking group, those who are expert, and they will guide you in a better way. If you are coming on a holiday here in Goa, then you should keep this trek for the last day of your stay in Goa, because it can be tiring and your legs may pain later after this trek, so you will need some rest. Also, I highly recommend you to wear trekking shoes or some good footwear which have, a very good grip, and it will help you not to slip. And the last and the most important tip is that, guys, please do not litter such nice places, natural places. I've been talking about this in all my videos. I request you humbly that please do not leave the garbage here. Please take back your garbage. I would suggest you to bring fruits and dates if you are coming on a trek, instead of buying some chips or biscuit or anything with packaged food and all. So finally, after lots of efforts, we reached at the destination and could see such a beautiful view. Do you know Chennai Express was shot here? Some of the scenes of that movie were shot here, and the train also halted at this station. Did you like this waterfall? Please let me know and comment in the comment box. I really can't explain you the joy and the thrill which I got after reaching here. This place is so beautiful and perfect example of nature. And to experience this feeling, I will advise you to come here your own whenever you next come to Goa. So here our trekking members, group members are helping each other to cross the river. It's not yet over. We have to still walk 12 kilometers. So I'm taking rest in the middle of jungle. Guys, we are walking through jungle. Victory! So we climbed up till the railway track. The nearest station is Castle Rock. So on this railway track, you will find lots of small tunnels and you have to cross them. So if you are a nature lover and enjoy trekking and adventure trips, you should definitely come here. Come. You're doing maintenance. All the best. Huh? So hey guys. The trek is almost over. I'm approximately 200 meters away from my last destination, and it was an amazing trek. You should not miss it. I'm sure you are a little bit inspired by watching this video. I'll keep bringing such videos for you. See you soon. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you want to keep seeing such offbeat and refreshing places close to nature. See you soon with my new travel experience. Till then, bye, take care.
Blender right out.